Father want to cook jollof rice, so let me teach this our young generation, all this Indomie generation. Let me teach them how to cook jollof rice. Okay, I first put groundnut oil. Upon nafia, etinyegom groundnut oil. Turn oil. I turn it. I put fresh tomato. Yeah, tomato mkpụrụ dị okay. Ga-eme ka ọ sọrịrị. After that, mgbe we tinye tin tomato, I put tin tomato. Tin tomato. Then after putting tin tomato, I don't come agba egwu na etinye because anything where they do, if you want make the food sweet, if you dey cook, you suppose dey dance. Understand? So after putting the tin tomato, I dance more, as you can see. Then after that, I turn it together. Turn oil. After that, I dance. I put salt. After putting salt, I put maggi. I put maggi. None. Abi? Wow. Can na agba. As I'm putting it, I'm dancing. After that, I put more spices. Ihe ngwakọ ihe ga-eme the onwe taste of odogade mma. Netinyekwa na agba egwu. As I'm putting, I'm dancing so that this food is sweet. Ka the nni wee tọọ ụsọ pụrụ iche. Etinyechago m ose. Yotago ose akwọrọ akwọ. There is ground pepper. After that, I put onions and crayfish esu. After that, ntinyekwa mmiri azụ. There is water that I used to cook fish. I put it. After that, I put the main rice itself. I turn it together. Ntinye osikapan we na turn ya. Turn chazie kuchie. I cover it. I dance and go. Mgbe egwu pụọ, mecha abịa chitekwa azụ. Taste ya dị nni. I taste the food. The food is done. I taste the food and it's very sweet. Then after that, I said let me fry fish, put on top. Just wait till you will see everything. Then after that, ntinye azụ. Na-ehekpo my azụ. I fry my fish. Yes. Well, once you are frying or you are cooking, just dance. You will see that the food will sweet past your relationship self. So after that, I have fried the fish finish. I'm putting it back. So I'm etinyezi the azụ na efere nti wee go put ya. Understand? So after that, look at the food. Look at the food where Fada cook. Nenu jollof rice. After that, I said let me just eat small and go where I'm going. Can you anywhere go ebe na-aga? My body so husband material. Abro m akwa na I no be clothes wey be say I be material. I said let me drink my water. No be me divide myself. Oboro m kele onwe m.